Hello, friends. This is Raki. Welcome to my channel. I am glad you have visited here. I am hoping that at the end of my videos, I am able to help you in my small little ways. My channel is for Thosia, who wants to start a YouTube channel. B, who wants to grow their channel since C, loves YouTube tutorials. One of them, please join in my channel through subscribing, commenting about your ideas, hit like button as well. Happy to be a part of your journey here in YT world.
Now let's begin.
Okay, so this is my 12th video, and when I search the title of my video, it ranks first in the list. Now, in my previous videos, this is not my title actually. I had already changed this so that it will rank first in the list. But actually, if you are going to go back to my other videos there, since I have already screen record since the beginning of my journey here in YouTube, from welcome video to creating Google account to creating YouTube account and everything. So you can see there how I give title to my channel, and I change all of them just to rank my video on the list, because when I check my videos on YouTube search and I type word for word what is my title or all my titles, I can find them on the list, and I don't even rank as 10 from 1 to 10 or 1 to 20 or 1 to 30. So you can only optimize your video, or you can only be ranked, your video will rank if you will change your title, a title that do not have duplicate, a title that is trending, and a title that match your video. Of course, you should not put title just to get the click of the viewers and the subscribers for the sake of that. So it should match your YouTube video. So I'm going to find let's go to my YouTube studio, and let's try to click this step by step end screen and end card setup on your YouTube videos if it will also rank. Step by step end screen and end card setup on your YouTube videos. Step by step end screen and end cards in end card setup on your YouTube videos. So I rank as be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from there. Then let's have another video, correct setup before uploading your YouTube video. Correct setup before uploading your video. This correct setup before uploading your YouTube video. Your YouTube video. Okay, so I rank first again on the list. Then another example. Thumbnail set up step by step 2021 on your YouTube channel. Thumbnail set up, what's that? Step by step 2021 in my YouTube channel. In my YouTube channel, in your YouTube channel, whatever. Okay, so I rank again here. Another one. Step by step upload of your first YouTube video in your channel 2021. Step by step upload of your first video. First video. First YouTube video. First YouTube video in your channel 2021. 2021. Okay, that's it. So again, I rank first there because when I check before I change my title, I didn't rank even, as I have said, even YouTube niche I view using channel banner 2021. YouTube niche I view using channel banner. YouTube niche I view using channel banner 2021. Okay, and what else? And many more. So I have here channel name, create channel name, but I have different welcome video. Let's try this one. Welcome video informing my YouTube niche 2021. Welcome video informing my YouTube niche. My YouTube niche 2021. Okay, that's it. So that is just how I rank in the list or on the list on YouTube search by just changing your title. If your video does not rank when you type the title, then you must change your title that is according also to your video, and make your title as catchy, as enticing, and everything. So I hope you have learned something from this video. So until our next upload, thank you so much for watching. Bye.